I'm often asked, what do I think the future of PIP and auto insurance law in Florida will be, given what happened last year in the legislature? And it's very simple. Florida needs to get rid of PIP. There are 50 states in this great country, and of those 50 states, we are one of only 2 who does not require bodily injury insurance coverage. Bodily injury coverage provides coverage when you hit someone else, pays their bills. In Florida, you have to carry liability coverage for the damage you caused to someone else's vehicle, but not to their body. And when you say it out loud like that, it's ridiculous. It really is. Those 48 other states, the majority of them do not have any type of PIP or first-party, your own insurance pays system. And take, for example, California. Everything's more expensive in California. Gas, groceries, but not your auto insurance. It's about $200 to $300 on the average cheaper than what you pay here in Florida. The legislature promised you that if they passed this PIP law, you would see savings. On my website, we have posted a ton of articles about how rates have not gone down, but have actually gone up, anywhere from 3 to 26% in the first rate filing since this new law was passed. The insurance companies say, give us time. But at the same time, they look at us, and they know what's coming. They know that unfortunately doctors and consumers are going to have to get lawyers and sue to get their money. And then they're going to try to blame us for suing on your behalf to get what you paid for in the first place. Last but not least, I'll give you this example. Colorado. In 2003, about 10 years ago, the state of Colorado had enough of PIP. They got rid of it. They had a little hiccup at first. Some of the ER systems had problems adjusting. So they put in what's called MedPay. MedPay is a form of just emergency payment that pays the emergency rooms. And it covers about $2,000 to $5,000 of bills depending on what the contract says. Premiums went down 35% in that state. Today, Colorado has a healthy insurance market and is doing well. I ask you where you think Florida is in comparison to those other states. The frustrating part of being involved in the legislative process on this specific issue is that there is an abundance of evidence that points to the correct answer. And the correct answer is to get rid of PIP and to institute mandatory BI and hold everyone personally responsible for the damage they cause to somebody else. About 50% of the drivers on our road right now don't have any liability coverage. What does that mean? That means you can be in the most significant, severe, catastrophic accident. And if they have no coverage, and if you didn't purchase uninsured motorist coverage, then 9 times out of 10, there's nothing I can do for you. So when you vote in the next 2 years, I want you to remember, there's going to be an auto insurance crisis in this state. And it's not going to be a made-up one this time, it's going to be a real one. As you open your insurance premium bills in the next 6 months, I want you to ask yourself, how is this working for me? As you meet folks who have been in car accidents, ask them about the treatment they've now received from their own insurance company. And as you head to that ballot box, ask yourself, does this candidate support a system that makes the insurance companies a lot of money, i.e. what we have now, or a proven, effective solution that saves me money and justly compensates those who are injured? I hope you'll go with the latter.